In today's video, we'll build sentences using the linking word and. A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. The word and is a conjunction or connecting word. It is used to combine similar ideas or to add information. Look at this example. 1. He can hop. 2. She can jump. Both sentences have similar ideas, so we can join them by adding the linking word and, like this. He can hop and she can jump. Let's try another one. 1. She likes books. 2. She likes maps. We can join them together to make one longer sentence like this. She likes books and she likes maps. Let's try this example. 1. The sun is up. 2. It is hot. The second sentence adds information to the previous sentence, so we can join them by adding and, like this. The sun is up and it is hot. What about this example? 1. It is winter. 2. You have a chill. Remember, we can join sentences together with the linking word and. It is winter and you have a chill. Now that you know how to build sentences using the linking word and, challenge yourself by writing a longer sentence out of the two given sentences. Add and to join the sentences together. I can throw, you can catch. I can throw and you can catch. I like apples. He likes pears. I like apples and he likes pears. I will count, you can hide. I will count and you can hide. Mom will cook, we will watch. Mom will cook, and we will watch. She puts on her coat. She puts on her shoes. She puts on her coat and she puts on her shoes. Challenge. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. We see birds and we see planes. We see planes and we see birds. He likes counting and she likes painting. He likes painting and she likes counting. She likes counting and he likes painting. She likes painting and he likes counting. Try these. Copy the sentences, add and to join them together. Good job! Go ahead and click on the next video to learn more.